So I'm gonna have this over here later on. Jose did this kindly, so you don't forget and I don't forget. Okay, can you read that?
I want more videos and leave the comment. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Should have been a comment there. Break the conversation.
Never would ever hear that coming out of your mouth of, oh, hey, let's be
Grammar, dude. I mean, you gotta get good with it.
language arts. Okay. Party foul. What, did you forget something? Oh, that's good.
Lifeline.
Hey, just another reason why to come back over here.
He's leaving breadcrumbs. Leaving them breadcrumbs.
Later.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for part 2 of the crazy F150 build. As y'all guys can clearly see, a big time jump has changed since we've pulled the cab off it last. Didn't get the chance to get the recording and pull the motor out, put the motor in. It's been kind of like cold and Mageddon over here in Texas, so I've been kind of like bits and piecing this thing together, coming out here when I can when it's not freezing cold. And my editor John wasn't able to come out too, so life gets in the way. We just kind of got to do what we got to do with what we got. But as y'all guys can clearly see, motors in the truck, blowers in the truck. Pretty much truck's almost pretty much all the way done. As you can see, I got a little bit of plumbing to do with the heat exchanger. We've got to put a heat exchanger on it, an ice tank. I'm gonna delete the run, start, stop heating pump that we're not utilizing anymore, and I've got to plumb in the ice tank that comes with the Stage 2 Whipple kits to kind of make it all plumbed together. Other than that, guys, really we're kind of pretty much done with the truck as far as just cooling system, putting oil in it. The base file for the truck to start with this engine is already in the computer. Like we said in the previous video of part 1, we had to pin out the harness, all that's already done. So the truck pretty much gonna be ready to start, hopefully within the next couple of days, as long as Texas doesn't show its, bipolar ass ways of being cold and then summer in one day. So tomorrow they say it's supposed to be pretty decent. I'll probably do a lot of attacking and probably hopefully get this thing started up. I might have to drag John's little ass out here again tomorrow. We'll do a startup video and do the whole thing, but that's if weather permitting with Texas. But for the most part, guys, yeah, everything's pretty much buttoned up to the point to where it's going to be just small essentials right now at this point. Got to get a couple things checked off the checklist, tighten some things down, go pick the truck back up, make sure everything's all handled up from there. But for the most part, guys, we're pretty much wrapping this thing up. Like I said, I got some small things, odds and ends here and there to do. Stick around, watch what we kind of do here in the next, I guess, 5-10 minutes or so. We're gonna throw it up in the air, kind of button up some bottom stuff, and kind of do some recording while working on the truck, while we can, actually do that because it's not Arctic cold in here. And we'll see y'all guys here in a minute. Well guys, as our guys kind of seen with doing the bottom of the truck, I got pretty much the bottom of the truck's fully buttoned up. And even kind of played with the cooling system. John's phone died, so we couldn't kind of show you what we're playing with. I kind of figured out now how we're going to plumb the cooling system with deleting the cooling module for the run, start, stop heat pump. Kind of got a good idea of grasp on how I'm going to handle that, which by the looks of it should be pretty fairly simple. Never done one before, so don't knock me if y'all guys are like, you idiot, it's not that hard, but I've never done one before, so get off my ass. But got that kind of figured out, so all I pretty much got left at this point now is just to get that plumbed in, put some oil in it, plumb the blower in, the blower's cooling system in for the secondary system with both expansion tanks, one for an ice tank, one for the expansion tank down in the bumper. And guys, by the looks of it, honestly, I feel like we might be able to start this thing come this weekend, so that means y'all guys will maybe be able to see part 2.5 of startup video and driving and running around. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, John, let's go take the viewers to look at the carnage this thing left. Oh, edit that out, blur it or whatever you gotta do. This is for next season's little festivities we got going on here. Y'all guys, S650 people are gonna love it. There's your hint. But, Johnny boy, here is the carnage. Go ahead and give the folks a good look at home of the just stage left and right. That hog left out. As you can see, went out stage left, and if you go to the other side, you can see stage right. Pretty much you can probably actually see me through the hole, if I'm not mistaken. John, get my close-up while you can.
What the fuck's the hole?
How you doing? I can actually, yeah, that's straight through. Yeah, and then also, when I was saying it blew out from the top, it definitely, I've never seen a 5.0 blow up like that to where it actually put a hole on top of the actual valley of the block.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, she let go bad.
There's technical too.
You can edit technical difficulties. Let's walk back to the truck. We make YouTube videos! Well guys, as you've seen, I know we talked about it, but we had to wait on a train, so I got a little overzealous and even did some more cooling stuff and pretty much showing y'all guys what it's gonna look like. Pretty much done. Now, literally all I got left to do is plumb the blower to the ice tanks. But yeah guys, this is just kind of part 1.5, part 2 of the segment build of the truck. Hopefully, like I said in the beginning, we're gonna have this truck hopefully fired up by Friday and give y'all guys a video by Wednesday to see it in its entirety. But if y'all guys like the video, click the like button. Okay, didn't I fuck that up? Yeah. Where did I leave the fuck up at? Remember?
We are just saying this,
reading
yes.
that. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna come up and then you can just edit all this in smoothly. If y'all guys do, motherfucking God, don't, no.
Yes. If you make me mad one day, I'm just gonna post this.
Fuck you, John. Remember guys, if y'all like
Alright, ready?
Okay. And remember guys, be sure to like and subscribe. If y'all like the videos, leave me a comment down below and we'll keep y'all content up in these trucks and these builds.
We're done. I'm fucking done with it.
Jesus. Alright guys, and remember, be sure to like and subscribe down below. And if y'all guys do like videos in these trucks, leave me a comment down below as well. And we'll be sure to keep more of these content of these videos trying to flow as much as possible, you know, with Snowmageddon coming in Texas, possibly, potentially, or summer. We can make more videos or less. See y'all guys in the next one. Peace.